Hi everyone, so I have recently purchased this beautiful black textured bag from Lino Peros from the Flipkart sale. And look at the bag. This is a beautiful black color bag जो कि मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी डील में मिला है, which is for 2239, but it is originally priced at 4995 rupees. So let me very quickly share with you some of the features. So the width of the bag is 38 centimeter and the height is 28 centimeter. Not too short, not too big, so it is more like a handheld bag and not a tote bag. So if you are into such bags, please keep watching. Also, I would like to share that the quality, the material, the texture and the silhouettes of the bag is just making it very much classy and aesthetic. And also, if when you see the reviews, they're kind of mixed. So just to help you, I'm going to review it on my own so that you can get a better experience. So as you can see, I have opened the package. I just received it and मैंने इसको 2 दिन पहले order किया था and I got it on the 3rd day. And also I am a Plus member, so I do not have to pay any delivery charges and I get it super fast. So as you can see, the bag has been covered in a very good plastic bag, a thick plastic bag, so that it does not damage or anything. It is very nicely covered. So let me open and show it to you. Oh my god, the first look is just amazing. The color is so subtle. This black is not at all shiny. The gold metal that it has on the buckles and also on the branding, on the chain, everything is very subtle, not that tacky golden color. Look at the tag, it's Lino Peros. The branding is also so beautiful, not at all tacky. The leather texture is very good, looks very classy. The material is good finishing. The only drawback is the size. I expected it to be a little bigger, but it is the size of my palm, just a little bigger. And but I'm really happy with the shape, and because I've not had such bag, I've only had some really small bags or tote bags, but this is the first of its kind in my wardrobe, so I'm really excited. Also, it really gives that that chic look. And let me show you what's inside. So the basic stuffing, so that the bag does not lose its shape. ज़्यादा compartments नहीं है. If you are into more compartments, you can check other options, but for a person like me, I really get confused when there are so many compartments. So just one middle compartment, 2 smaller pockets, and that's it. So the bag is very minimal and beautiful. You see the tag over here with Miss Katrina Kaif holding a yellow similar bag. And let's take a look at the price tag. So it says 4995 rupees, but we got it for much less, so really lucky. So the bag, guys, it's really nice. If you want to get something for someone as a gift, or you want to add a bag like this in your wardrobe, please go for it. No negative marking, just the size is a factor. If you like much bigger bags, you can look for other options, but if you have enough tote bags and you need a nice simple bag for parties or office, this bag will definitely do the job. It's a beautiful bag at this price. Go for it. So if you're new to my channel, I make beauty related videos, product reviews such as makeup, some nice healthy cruelty free brands are promoted here. I am more into chemical free stuff, so if you're interested in these kind of videos, please stay connected. Also, I would like to share that I also announce a giveaway once in a while. So people who have been engaged with me from long, or even the new people who are joining me, we are like a family. So please join me here for honest reviews, and the reviews are going to be brutally honest, so you can expect best quality out of this channel. and you can totally trust this channel. I make beauty related videos as well, plus skincare videos. So I have other videos on my channel as well. You can definitely go ahead and visit those. Thank you so much for watching, and those of all who like the video, please share your comments. That would be really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye, take care.